Sunday class is in session. So today's topic is winter cold cough hack for toddlers. Okay, warm sips in every 1 or 2 hours. Even warm water counts. Direct steam mat dena varna idli mode on. Warm liquids reduces cough and cold naturally.